In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Siri not speaking up on your iPhone. After updating to iOS 26, you might notice that Siri only shows text responses instead of speaking. Let me demonstrate the problem first. Hey Siri, what's today's date? As you can see, it's only displaying the response without any voice output. Here's how to enable Siri's spoken responses. Open your Settings app, scroll down and tap on Siri. Next, select Siri Responses from the menu. Now, you'll see different response options here. Tap on Prefer Spoken Responses to enable voice feedback. Let's test it again. Hey Siri, what's today's date?
Hmm? It's Tuesday, December 16th, 2025.
Perfect. Your Siri voice responses are now working. This fixes the iOS 26 Siri not talking issue. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.